I'm gonna attempt to clean the lenses on the car because they're a little faded or whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna use a new kit called Mother's New Lens. Never used it before. It says fast and easy, professional results. It's got everything I need in here, so we're gonna go ahead and attempt to clean these lenses. Comes with Mother's plastic polish, clarifies, protects, and maintains, removes oxidation and surface scratches. Well, we'll see how great this is. Comes with a bunch of different stuff, right? It looks like sandpaper and then your mother ball. Alright, we're going to do some sanding because this is in rough shape. So we're going to start with the 800 grit pad. And that just goes on there with Velcro. Alright, attach it to the drill. You want to wet sand it. Just clear water, nothing special to wet sand with. Still got quite a bit of haze on that. Still pretty damn rough, so I want to smooth out a little bit more. Starting to think it'd be easy just to buy a new headlight. You know, if your light's this bad, you might want to go with like a 5 or 400 grit. But this kit don't have it. Oh, that already looks so much better. Now, I'm just going to hit it with the power ball and the polisher. Just going to put a little bit on the ball. Yeah, a little bit. I'm not trying to get this perfect. I'm just trying to clear it up. The cordless drill died out on me when I went to do the other light, so I had to go with the corded Black & Decker drill. Found out a few things. This drill is so much faster, so when you're sanding with the disc, it does a better job. So I went back and I hit the light up again one more time. Came out a lot better. Still had a lot of pits and stuff in the lens. It's 100% better than what it was. So if yours are as bad as mine, go with the heavy duty kit. They sell different kits. It'll probably have the cost of sanding discs in there, which is what you need to work out the pits. But I'm very impressed with this kit. It worked out pretty good. I'm happy with it. They're nice and clear now. At least the light will come through. Let me show you what it looks like. So it's really nice. Looks good. It's 100% improvement from what it used to be. The faster the drill goes, the faster you can sand. You got to be careful though. You need like a handle on the drill and stuff. Don't hit the car paint. Other than that, if you got less damage on your lenses, go with like the medium kit, the one I used. If you got more damage, go with the heavy duty kit. Again, thank you for watching.